In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own trading signals with ChatGPT. If you're looking for a faster way to organize your market analysis, ChatGPT can help you structure trading ideas and summarize technical information in a clear format. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a detailed prompt to generate a cryptocurrency trading signal that includes key market information. Keep in mind that AI-generated trading signals are for educational and research purposes only, and should always be verified with your own analysis before making any trading decisions. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT homepage. Once the interface has loaded, move your cursor to the main message box where it says Ask Anything and click inside the text field. Instead of entering a simple question, paste a detailed prompt that instructs ChatGPT to act as a professional cryptocurrency trading analyst. In this example, the prompt requests an analysis of the current BTC/USDT market and asks ChatGPT to generate a complete trading signal using the available market information. Before submitting the request, take a moment to review the prompt and confirm that everything is written exactly as intended. When you're satisfied with the prompt, click the Send button in the lower right corner of the message box. ChatGPT will immediately begin processing the request, and within a few moments, you'll see the response being generated directly on the screen. As the response appears, ChatGPT organizes the information into an easy-to-read format. Depending on the analysis, it may provide an overall market outlook, such as a hold signal, along with a suggested entry price range, a protective stop-loss level, and several take-profit targets for managing the trade. It can also estimate a confidence level, recommend an appropriate trading time frame, and identify the current level of market risk based on the information included in the analysis. Below the signal, you'll typically see a concise technical explanation describing the reasoning behind the suggested trade. This may reference commonly used technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator, also known as MACD, explaining how they support the overall market outlook. Once the complete trading signal has been generated, review each section carefully. If the format matches your needs, you can copy the analysis, save it to your trading journal, or use it as part of your daily market research process. Remember that market conditions can change quickly, so it's important to verify current prices and confirm any analysis with your own strategy before acting on it. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to use ChatGPT to organize and generate structured cryptocurrency trading signals for research and educational purposes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,